Okay, so your problem is okay, so you have 1/8 ounce orange glass of apple juice and 1/8 ounce of glass of orange juice contain this much vitamin C. And then you have another situation when you have 4 glasses and 2 glasses of orange juice contains 531.6 milligrams of vitamin C. And so you basically you zero in into the question. The question is how much vitamin C in an 1/8 ounce glass of each type. Okay, so they're not really asking for how much vitamin C per ounce. It's how much vitamin C per glass. So what we don't know here, let's define them. Okay, so we can say that let A equals the number or the number of, not number because we can really, it's not really countable. Okay, so the amount of vitamin C vitamin C in an 8 ounce apple juice, okay? Glass, basically. And then R will be the same thing, okay? But this is gonna be in an 8 ounce orange juice. All right, so those are the two things that we don't know. So per glass, we're talking about per glass. Okay, so let's read the first statement. It says here, 1 glass of apple juice and 1 glass of orange juice. Forget about the 8. The 8 is in there to really confuse you. All right, so 1 glass of apple juice and 1 glass, because they're using the same size of glass anyway, contains that. So that's your first statement. So you can say that 1 glass of apple juice plus 1 glass of orange juice will contain 174.7 milligrams of vitamin C. So that's the first statement. The second statement says 4 glasses of apple juice and 2 glasses of orange juice. So 4 glasses of apple juice plus 2 glasses of orange juice will give you 531.6 milligrams. Okay, so now we can use elimination. When you want elimination, you want one of the variables to have the same coefficient. So if you want to eliminate A, well, this is 4, that's 1. So what you can do is you can multiply the top, okay, this equation, by a -4. And when you multiply that by -4, 4 times 1, that will become -4, right? So that will cancel out this A here. Alternatively, you can multiply this by -2, then you can cancel out the R. But let's try with, actually, I'd like to do 2 because it's a smaller number, okay? So if multiply it with -2, again, the reason is this is a 2, so you want to make this one -2. So therefore, what number do you multiply to 1 to make it -2? Well, it's -2. So we will multiply this 2 times each one. So this one will become -2a minus 2r equals 174 times -2 is going to be negative, I don't know, 4 times 2, 8, 9. 7 times 2 is 4. So 349.4. Okay. Now the other one, the second equation stays the same. So this is 4a plus 2r equals 531.6. Okay. Now, as you can see, now that our equations are, we can eliminate this because your r have the same coefficient but opposite in sign. So therefore, we can add them now. So -2a plus 4a, you will have 2a. These two will cancel out. That's why it's called elimination. Equals, then we add 531. Okay, 531 plus or -439. Okay, so I'm gonna do that on my calculator. A -349.4. Okay, plus 531.6. I will have 182.2. And I divide this one by 2. I'm dividing 1 by 2. Your A will be 91.2. So what does that mean? A represents the amount of vitamin C. So 100 milli, what's the unit? Milligrams of vitamin C in the 8 ounce apple juice. Okay. Okay, in 8 ounce, not just apple juice, but in an 8 ounce glass apple juice. So now that you find A, we can use that and substitute it in one of the equation. I'm gonna go back to the simpler equation, which is A plus R equals 174.7, and I'm gonna substitute that A. So 91.2 plus R equals 174.7. If I subtract 92.2, I mean 91.2 on each side, then I will get my R, which is going to be equal to divided by or minus 91. Oh, I got this one wrong. Okay, 174. This is not even hard. Okay, so this is going to be point 0.5. I guess it's faster without the calculator. All right, 3, and then that's going to be 8. So 83, is that right? Yeah, 83 point. That's 747. Okay, 83.5 milligrams in an 8 ounce orange juice. Okay. All right. I hope this helps. So this in this one, I use elimination. You can also use substitution.